Hello students, now we will discuss the new question. What is electric dipole? Define it and write its example and also explain dipole moment. The important point is what? Dipole moment. Now students, the definition of electric dipole is like this: an electric system which consists of two equal and opposite charges separated to each other up to a finite distance 2a. It is 2a, which is one kind of finite distance. This system is called electric dipole. Again, an electric system which consists of two equal and opposite charges. The important point is here, the system is consist of equal and opposite charges. Means the two charges having same amount of charge but their nature is different. Means if one of them is minus q, then other is plus q, but their amount must be same. 2a is finite distance. Now here the example of electric dipole and the diagram of dipole: minus q, that one is plus q. So amount of charges is same, but one of them is negative, one of them is positive, and they are separated up to a finite distance 2a. That is the center point of this system. So this is a, that one is also a, so total becomes 2a. But the arrow is from minus q charge to the plus q charge. This arrow indicates a physical quantity which is known as dipole moment. Now dipole moment in a vector form, vector p equals to q into vector 2a. 2a is one kind of distance, but it is in a vector form, vector 2a. Simply p is equal to q into 2a. So if you want to write it's a unit, then its unit is, charge unit is coulomb and distance unit is meter. So its unit is coulomb meter. C is capital, M is small. And the example of electric dipole is HCl, NaCl, etc. How is it possible? So suppose we have sodium chloride, NaCl. In NaCl, Na is positively charged ion and Cl is negatively charged ion. So Na having plus q amount of charge and Cl minus having minus q amount of charge. So that NaCl becomes one kind of electric dipole. NaCl is one kind of electric dipole. Thank you, students.